Santosham. Today we are going to do Samaseer Pranayama. It is called Equalizing breath. It is a powerful, simple, and relaxation technique. It helps to clear the mind, relax the body, improve focus, remove distractions, and make the mind easier to concentrate. It is easy to do and quick to learn. It can be practiced anywhere, anytime, and by anyone. In this technique, you will do 4 parts of breathing: inhalation, internal retention, exhalation, and external retention. Start with a 3-second ratio and gradually increase it to 5 to 7 seconds. Those of you who want to improve your focusing and practice meditation, increase the external retention, which is no breath or silence. First, sit on your chair or yoga mat. If it is possible, cross your legs. Close the mouth and eyes. Exhale all of the air out of your lungs. Count the seconds in your head. If 3 seconds is too much, you can start with 2 seconds to help you start practicing. Deep inhale through the nose, while counting to 3 slowly. Feel the air enter your lungs and your stomach slowly comes out. 1, 2, 3. Now hold your breath. 1, 2, 3. Exhale, your stomach goes in. 1, 2, 3. No breath or silence, which is retention. 1, 2, 3. This is 1 round. Let us do 6 rounds. Practice it with me so you will know exactly how you have to practice. Inhale, 1, 2, 3. Hold, 1, 2, 3. Exhale, 1, 2, 3. Silence, 1, 2, 3. Inhale, 1, 2, 3. Hold, 1, 2, 3. Exhale, 1, 2, 3. Silence, 1, 2, 3. Inhale, 1, 2, 3. Hold, 1, 2, 3. Exhale, 1, 2, 3. Silence, 1, 2, 3. Inhale, 1, 2, 3. Hold, 1, 2, 3. Exhale, 1, 2, 3. Silence, 1, 2, 3. Inhale, 1, 2, 3. Hold, 1, 2, 3. Exhale, 1, 2, 3. Silence, 1, 2, 3. Last round. Inhale, 1, 2, 3. Hold, 1, 2, 3. Exhale, 1, 2, 3. Silence, 1, 2, 3. Now you do the deep inhale and exhale for a few times and feel the calm and relaxation. I hope you learned this technique. Each round will take about 8 to 10 seconds for kids. For adults, it should take about 12 seconds. This is a very simple technique. You should practice it and enjoy the benefits. Thank you for watching. Santosham.